Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take macro photos in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the camera and then go to more button. There will be macro option. Just click it. Now take macro photo. I would like to take this photo. Keep the subject closer to the camera so that you can get more details of the subject. See here. I am taking another one and see the result image. Wow, very nice. In this way, you can easily take macro photos in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.